Welcome, kids! Today we will learn colors with 5 rainbow ducks.
Look! Mommy Duck and her 5 little ducklings are ready for a color adventure.
A magical rainbow cloud appears in the sky. This is the red duck.
Red like apples and strawberries.
Look at the red butterfly. This is the green duck.
Green like trees and leaves.
Hello, little green frog.
This is the blue duck.
Splash! Blue like water.
Blue like the beautiful sky.
This is the yellow duck.
Yellow like the bright sun.
Buzz buzz, yellow bees.
This is the purple duck.
Purple like grapes. Look, 5 rainbow ducks. Wow, a beautiful rainbow.
Rainbows have many colors.
Let's slide on the rainbow. Red duck slides first.
Green duck slides next. Blue duck slides down.
Yellow duck is having fun. Purple duck slides too. That was fun.
Friends come to join the fun.
Let's dance. Let's count the ducks.
1 red duck. 2 ducks.
3 ducks. 4 ducks. 4 little ducks come to the pond. 5 ducks. Time for a fun game. Can you find all the ducks? Here is the red duck. Can you say red?
Here's the green duck. Green is everywhere.
Blue duck is near the pond. Blue like water. Yellow duck is hiding under the sunflower. Yellow like the sun.
Purple duck. Purple like grapes and flowers. Look at all 5 rainbow ducks marching together. Pop. Can you say the colors as we pop the balloons? Look at red and yellow ducks chasing butterflies. Time to dance together and show our colors.
1 red, 2 green, 3 blue, 4 yellow, 5 purple ducks. Look at the rainbow bridge. Let's walk across together. Jump! Splash into the pond!
5 rainbow ducks are showing their colors under the rainbow.
The sun is setting and the rainbow glows beautifully.
Great job, little ducks! You learned all the colors today. Look at the rainbow in the water.
Bye, kids. See you next time for another color adventure.
Learning colors is fun with rainbow ducks. See you soon!